Ready for something real? It's the explosive home-based business that everyone is talking about. Social media meets online gaming, a phenomenal concept that's on fire. This company is the first to combine both into an online program that pays you massive income rewards. And it's just the beginning. We're already setting industry record. The chance for you to make money and have fun is extraordinary. Here's why. Timing is key. If you can understand a trend or a change, position yourself in front of it, grow and expand with it, you can become incredibly wealthy. Right now, online profit sharing is booming in the home-based business world. But let's talk about sustainability. It comes from having more customers than distributors. That creates sustainability. And until now, profit-sharing companies have struggled to do that. Welcome to Infinity to Global, I2G, a long-term worldwide online opportunity that can sustain itself because it will have more customers than distributors. Happy customer. It's real profit sharing. I2G is involved in two huge online areas that are trending right now all over the world. People already do both every day. The only difference is they're not getting paid for it. First is social media, online communication, and online marketing. That's an over $250 billion industry right now. Think Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. Social media has become a household name. I2G introduced I2G Touch. It gets you involved in the social media space and you get paid to share it. And it's at the very genesis of what it will become. I2G Touch gives you the ability to have all your social networks in one place and also have your own channel where you can video chat, live broadcast, as well as post unlimited videos, audios, and images. And that's just the start. You have the ability to communicate with the world instantaneously while being a part of building our very own social media community and begin earning income immediately. The second area is online gaming. That means an online casino with virtual games and live dealers and happy customers created every day. No wonder the industry is growing. Last year, online gaming did over $45 billion worldwide, and it's predicted to do over $150 billion by 2015. It's going to triple in the next 2 years. The industry is highly regulated. The best license to have is called Tier 1. I2G has teamed up with an already existing online gaming company that has a Tier 1 license and is over 10 years old. That allows you to immediately start marketing this form of entertainment. Caesars Entertainment announced that they were going into the online gaming space. Their stock rose 14.3% that day. Other giants have followed suit. But here's what I2G gives you that nobody else ever will. Profits. Traditional casino companies may give you an airfare, a room, a buffet, but they won't be sharing their profits with you. I2G will. In fact, I2G shares 75% of the online gaming profits brought in worldwide from the online casino with you. We're already open for business in over 85 countries. It's the opportunity of a lifetime to get your piece of what all the big boys are now understanding to be very, very profitable. Real customers, real people, having fun playing on the online gaming site. To have a big company like this, you need a great management team. Mr. Rick Mikey is our president and CEO. He's been involved as an owner for 15 years with two companies generating hundreds of millions of dollars in sales worldwide. He wanted to start a company that was easily accessible to a global market, a virtual company with no borders and the ability to expand globally, in a place where he could put the extra money into your pockets by sharing profits through the I2G rewards and compensation. The name of the company is Infinity, which means you get paid to infinity. The number 2 means you have 2 teams. Global means it's available worldwide. And we are seeing some remarkable results happening for our people in just a short period of time. It couldn't be more exciting. There are 6 ways to get paid. It's $19.95 to get started, and then you can choose packages anywhere from as little as $100, $400, $600, or $5,000 for the Emperor package. Each one has all kinds of benefits. We'll show you what those are, and you can pick the one that's right for you. The first way to get paid is with Fast Start bonuses. You make 10% of all packages you sell, no matter what package it is, in by Friday and paid out by the following Friday. The number 2 way to get paid is what we call dual team or binary income. Every time you complete 300 points on Team 1 and 300 points on Team 2, you're going to receive pay. This could be anywhere from $30 if you're a novice, $40 as a player, which is the $400 package, $50 as a high roller, which is the $600 package, and $60 as an emperor, the $5,000 package. If you like to make the max amount of money for doing the same amount of work, you can see that if you decide to choose the Emperor package, you can make the maximum amount of money for the same amount of work. You choose. It's important to note that if you maximize just this one way to get paid, you can earn up to a maximum of $35,000 per week, or $1.8 million per year. And that's for all positions. Now we have a third way to get paid. By helping others become successful, you get matching bonuses, and it's a very lucrative way to make money. There's an unlimited amount of money available for you to earn with matching bonuses. These bonuses flow through 5 levels. You get 20% on the first, 15% on the second, 10% on the third, 10 on the fourth, and 10 on the fifth. The Emperor is grandfathered at all 5 levels for 1 year. And there are some very special benefits that we'll share in a moment. Don't underestimate this bonus. Every week it's putting significant amounts of money into people's hands. The novice position is not able to participate in matching bonuses. The fourth way to get paid is our leadership bonuses. You have the ability to promote to ranks like Silver, Gold, Ruby, Emerald, and Diamond. For each rank, you receive a one-time bonus when you reach it. Silver gives you a $10,000 bonus. Gold gives you a $25,000 bonus. Ruby gives you a $50,000 bonus. Emerald gives you a $100,000 bonus. And Diamond gives you a $500,000 in bonus money. You qualify for these ranks and earn more based on the volume in your group. Volume comes from packages sold and monthly orders. Part of the I2G magic is that as people are playing in the online casino, 25% of all the chips bet also counts toward volume in your group, in addition to packages and orders. As an example, if our online gaming site happens to achieve $100 million in revenue, that would mean $25 million in volume would come into the group, all from real customers and real people playing. And this gets you to those ranks we just mentioned even faster and closer to each of those generous one-time leadership bonus. Earlier, we told you that you could get 75% of the profits from the online gaming. Nobody else in the world gives you that. And now we come to the 5th and 6th ways to get paid. Each rank, Silver, Gold, Ruby, Emerald, Diamond, has its own 5% leadership pool. That's 5% of the world online profits from customers and distributors, all players at the online casino. You can earn up to 25% in the leadership pools. Here's how. As a Silver, you make 5%. Then as a Gold, you earn an additional Gold leadership pool of 5%. And you also earn the Silver leadership pool of 5%. If you're a Ruby, you get 5% Ruby, 5% Gold, 5% Silver, and so on. It's the Diamond rank that gets 25% in the leadership pool money. And the 6th way to get paid is our Emperor pool, for emperors only. Emperor is a special position. Right now, there's a Founder's Emperor position, and it's this. If you become an emperor, you're grandfathered at all positions. You can make all the leadership bonuses, all 5 levels of matching bonuses, plus, as an emperor, you earn 50% of the worldwide profits from the online gaming site for the rest of the life of I2G. Now, this only lasts until the first 5,000 emperors have joined the company. After that, it will change, and the 50% of online gaming profits may be gone. You have an opportunity of a lifetime to make an income from all of the customers and distributors playing on the online gaming site worldwide. Imagine the possibilities. Right now, people are earning more money in a week than most people make in a year, and it's just the beginning. We're looking for people who want to have fun, help us spread the wealth, and become very, very successful themselves. It's a dream come true. Make it happen for you now.